Hey, what's up guys? As you saw that it is not working, and I have tried to make a free energy self-running generator, but it's not working. So guys, as you can see, this is the DC motor and this is the homemade generator that uh, you can watch the video series of this generator in my channel. I have made this. I thought that I will run this motor with the help of battery, and it will move this pulley. It will move this generator and it will produce a alternate current. The bridge rectifier will convert AC current to DC current, and then it will be stored in this bank of capacitor. So it will store the charge, and then it will keep run this motor, DC motor. So as you saw that it's not working, I have tried that when I will run this motor with battery, and as I remove this terminal from the battery, so it should continue running. So it's not working as you saw. Let me try again. The capacitors are charging, but as you can see, it's not running, and it's failed. I have tried to make, but it's not working. So guys, let me show you the output voltage of this Dynamo and the capacitor, the bank of capacitors. Guys, let me show you the voltage of this Dynamo. As you saw that it's a 124 volt AC alternate current. So that was the output voltage of this free dish generator. That was 124 volt. It also depends on ratio of this pulley. So as you can see, as I move this, gives 12 to 15 volt and so on. And now let me show you the voltage of capacitor, that is DC. The capacitors are charged. Let me show you. Just look at the multimeter. As you can see, it's giving 85 volt. And also discharging little bit with the resistance of multimeter. So 80, 79. So here the capacitors are working properly and charging. The capacitors are working fine, and it's still not working. Let me show you by, as you hear the spark sound of this capacitor, and it's now fully discharged. So guys, maybe you ask about this, but this pulley is just for flywheel. It works like a flywheel. That's why I have attached with this. And maybe the problem is here that this motor takes approximately from the battery 6 to 7 ampere, and this motor has not enough ampere to run this motor. So that's why that is the reason that it's not working. So guys, as you can see, this is the DIY bench power supply, and you can watch the video in my channel about this, how I made this. And now I'm trying to run this power supply with that Dynamo, and it will run it, and I will take the output of 12 volt DC output, and then I'm going to try to run this motor with this if it works. So let's try it. As you can see, this is the alternate current line and neutral are coming from this, and that's are connected here. As it becomes start, so suddenly I will connect this with the positive terminal of motor. So let's do it. Look at this LED, it will keep glowing when this is power on. Guys, as you saw that it's not working, and so guys, this was the video on what I was working on. So guys, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.